Hello everyone, today I will help you to make the chain. Firstly, you will put your yarn in this direction, then make 2 rounds around your finger. Now make the first round over the second. Make the third round. Okay, and second to third. Okay, now you will have a knot here, and it can be adjusted like this. I will make it again so you can understand that clearly. First round, second round. Put the first round over the second round, then make the third round, second round over the third round. Okay, now you have a knot here, and first chain, second chain, third chain, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this is how to make the chain. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through. Okay.